glory song that heaven sing for King. Let every heart preparing room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let never songs employ what fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains. Repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. And sorrows grow, no thorns and bears the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow. For us the curse is found, for us the curse is found, for us the curse is found. With truth and grace, and makes the nations grow. The glories of his righteousness, the wonders of his love, the wonders of his love.